My name's Cheyenne. I'm team leader of the inbound department and I shoot with a Nikon D5300. My dream kit is the Nikon D750 and the 50mm lens. Ever since I first studied photography, I've always wanted one because it's an all-rounder kit. I think it's the kind of kit that I can take anywhere and do anything with. I don't think it's too delicate or something I have to think about a lot, which I think you kind of need when you want to take pictures on the whim. I suppose my all-time favourite was Ian Rankin. I first heard about him when I was like 12, and then I started studying photography because of a book I was given. Now, people like Rosie Matheson, mostly people I follow on social media now. I read less books and follow more people on social media, but also working here. I think coming to MPB has broadened my idea of what photography is. Being young and seeing people like Ian Rankin, I kind of thought that style of photography was the only thing that existed. Coming here and seeing different types of work with film, work on even drones, it really makes me want to explore the industry a bit more. I'd really love to shoot back home in South East London. It's changing so much and so quickly. When I was commuting, I just saw East Croydon change within 2 months, so it'd be really cool to capture the old and the new and what's about to come. I used to want to have this huge career in photography, and now I'm quite happy just working on projects that may take 3 or 4 years, projects and stuff that make people open up to other people's experiences and things I connect to a lot more. My name is Cheyenne. I've forgotten the questions.
So it's fine.
This is going to take forever, guys.